Today we're going to learn a new letter. So when we talk about letters in Foundation, every letter up here at the top, we say the letter name, and then we say the picture that the letter is, and then we say the sound. So for this letter, does anyone know what letter this is? This letter is T. I want you to say that, T. And does anyone know what this toy is? It's very tricky. This is a top. Everyone say top. Great job. And the sound letter T makes is the sound T, T, T. So for our Foundation card, we say T, top, T. Can you practice saying it? T, top, T. Good job. Also, we have our standard sound cards. And our standard sound card will also have the same letter that we're talking about, but sometimes it looks a little bit different. Our standard sound cards are made to look like how our letters would look like in books or on computers. So this is also T, top, T. It just looks a little bit different. Let's practice saying it again. T, top, T. Very good. So today when you're doing reading at home, or if you're looking through magazines or anything like that, I want you to look and see if you can find a letter T in your books. Also, when you're looking at your name, you can look at your first name and your last name. You can also look and see if you have a T in your name. Okay, so I'm going to show you back here on our chart how we're going to write the letter T, top, T. Now for Foundations, we're gonna go through and learn how to write all of our lowercase letters. And then when it gets colder outside, we will learn how to write all of our uppercase letters. So lowercase T, which is this one here, we're gonna start at the skyline. So I want you to pause the video and you're gonna get out your dry erase mat, or you can get out a piece of paper if you don't have a dry erase mat, and you're gonna start at the skyline. And remember how yesterday we talked about how to hold our markers. We pinch our fingers, and then this finger here, our middle finger, helps tilt it back to make a table. So we're gonna start at the skyline, and we're gonna pull all the way down to the grass line. And then we're gonna stop. And then we're gonna start at the plane line, and we're gonna pull across the plane line. Miss Walls will have to get a new marker because this one is not working. Okay, sorry boys and girls. Let's try that again. We're gonna start at the skyline, and we're gonna go down to the grass line, stop, and then we pick our marker back up, and we go over on the plane line, and we pull across the plane line. So that is how we make the letter T. T, top, T. So what I want you to do now on your dry erase board or on your paper is I want you to make 5 T's. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna give yourself either a star or a smiley face on which T you think you did your very best on. Or if there's someone at home helping you, you can ask them to look over your T's and help give you a star or a smiley face for which one is the best. So let's go ahead and work on that now. You start at the sky, you go down to the grass, you stop, and then you pull across the plane. You can go ahead and pause the video so you can get that done. Okay, so hopefully now you have worked on your 5 letter T's and you've given yourself either a smiley face or a star for which one you think you did your very best work on. Great job. Now what we're gonna do also for Foundations is we are gonna go over our letters. See if you can see my letters. I'm going to move you over just a little bit so you can see them. Okay. So all of our letters are over here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to say our letters. So we have, remember we say the letter, and then the picture, and then the sound. I might have to move you closer so you can see it. And take you out of here. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna start with A, and we're gonna go in alphabetical order. A, apple, A, and you'll say it after me. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. That's the letter we learned today. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Thanks so much for watching, boys and girls, and I will see you tomorrow.